Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Your Play Store account matches Google Pay, and the recharge code is valid. Enter the 16-digit or PIN exactly as shown. One wrong digit blocks redemption. Once done, open Google Pay, tap Pay or Add Payment Method, then choose Redeem or Gift Code. This immediate action prevents the app from auto-charging other methods, and it explains why starting here removes common mismatches that cause failures. You now perform the detailed redemption. In Google Pay, go to Profile, then Payments Methods, and tap Redeem. Type the code slowly. Autofill or copy-paste can insert hidden characters, so you avoid invalid entry errors. Next, make sure to choose Google Play Balance as the destination, not your bank card. After selecting the right destination, hit Confirm. Doing it this way explains why each selection matters and reduces the chance of the system routing the value elsewhere. You finish by checking the Play Store balance. It should update within minutes. If the code failed, clear Google Pay cache, restart the app, and retry. Cache issues often block validation. When you still see errors, capture the error code, a screenshot, and the transaction ID, then contact Google Pay support. This final troubleshooting step speeds resolution because support needs those exact details to trace redemptions, and it prevents repeated failed attempts that could lock the code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.